How to disable logging on the standard error stream. How to disable logging on the standard error stream in Python. This does not work.
You can use where your underscore level is one of those. So, if you set your underscore level to logging.critical, you will get only critical messages sent by. Setting your underscore level to logging.debug will show all levels of logging. For more details, please take a look at logging examples. In the same manner, to change level for each handler, use handler.setLevel function.
I found a solution for this. This will prevent logging from being sent to the upper logger that includes the console logging.
I use
Long dead question, but for future searchers. Closer to the original poster's code/intent, this works for me under Python 2.6. The gotcha I had to work out was to remove the stdout handler after adding a new one. The logger code appears to automatically re-add the stdout if no handlers are present. Index-bound fix. If you get an index-bound error while instantiating stdout, move the instantiation to after adding your file handler, i.e.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.